Hi everyone, this is Miss Lackey, your media coordinator at Ardrey High School. Today I'm going to show you how to go in and actually put a book on hold for our new mobile on-the-go library. So in order to access your Destiny accounts, you're going to go through NC Ed Cloud like you do with most of everything else. So go ahead and type in your username and password, and then I will show you how to get into Destiny. So once you're logged in, you're going to see all of your different applications within NC Ed Cloud. In order to access Follett Destiny, you are going to locate the icon that looks like this on your screen. It says Follett Destiny. Once you find it, you're going to go ahead and click on it. Then it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. You want to navigate on the left-hand side to under high schools. If the list isn't dropping down, you can click the plus sign, and you're going to click where it says Ardrey High School. Once you do that, it brings you to the home page of the Ardrey High School catalog. You can search within our catalog without logging in. So all you have to do is you would click where it says catalog, and then you can start typing in whatever the title is that you're looking for. But in order to put books on hold, you do have to log in. So up in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see an option that says login right up here at the top right. You're going to click on that option, and when you do, it brings you to a screen that says username and password. Your username and password for our catalog is the same exact information you put in for NC Ed Cloud. So go ahead and type in your NC Ed Cloud login information one more time. So now once you've done that, you should actually see up in the top right your name populate up there. That means you're logged into your account. So now if I were to go back to the catalog, this is how I can search the catalog again. If you click on circulation, it's actually going to give you information about what books you have checked out, what books you have on hold, and all of that. And then there's also the My Info button. So there's two ways to search the catalog. This is what we call the classic view. You can search the catalog easily this way. However, I highly recommend using our catalog called Destiny Discover. If you look on the left-hand side over here, you're going to see the second one down says Destiny Discover. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to show you what the screen looks like. So once Destiny Discover opens, again, you're going to see your name up at the top. That means you're still logged in. If you don't see your name, up here in the top right where you see like the little smiley face or emoji, that's where you're going to be able to sign in. But this is a great way to search for books through our catalog. You're also right away going to see some recently added titles to our collection. And you'll see right there on the front screen is a picture of the book as well as whether it's checked in or out. You'll notice that this says checked in, and then it's going to be red and it says out if it's currently checked out. You can also browse by different topics within Destiny Discover. So some other features over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see a little menu, like a little sandwich right there. If you click on it, it brings you to some other options. You can go Destiny Back Office, which takes you back to that classic view. But I want to show you kind of our collections. So our collections are things that we've created here at Ardrey to kind of put books into categories for you. So right away, you'll see some of the collections that we've created here at Ardrey. So I have a whole collection dedicated to books that have been turned into either movies or TV shows or short films or something like that. So if you were to click on books to screen, it'll show you some options of books that have been actually turned into something on the TV screen. Let's say you're interested in this book, Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children. I could click on the title, and it takes a second to load. And then it's going to give me some information about this book. This particular one is a Follett ebook. If I want to check it out, I could go ahead and automatically check it out because it's an ebook and I could read it right there on my screen. Or I could go ahead and open it up and take a look. If you notice on the right-hand side, it gives you some suggestions for what you might also like. See how that says a little E? That means it's an ebook. If you see the little red book and it says book, that means it's actually a print title. So if you want to read the print title, Here you go, and then you can click hold within this screen. That is how you put a title on hold. Other ways to search is again up here in the search bar, typing in the title, or you can click the little plus sign with the magnifying glass that says search options. You can search by keyword, your format, so if you want a book or ebook, and then sublocation. As you know, at least within our fiction collection, we have sublocations, and we've done them by genres. So if you're really interested in some fantasy titles, you could click a sublocation of fantasy. I could click search, and I could see all the titles at Ardrey Kell that are fiction within our fantasy sublocation. And you'll see all of the titles here. And then you can actually narrow it down by filters. If there's particular series that you're looking for, a particular subject that you're looking for. Again, right here on the screen, it tells you whether the book is checked in or checked out. It gives you, again, the sublocation. You can go ahead and place a hold, or if you want to come back to it later and you're not ready to check it out, you can click where it says favorite, and then you'll be able to go into your list and see what your favorites are to maybe put them on hold later on. Remember, you can only check out up to 5 books at a time, and you get them for 3 weeks. We do not charge overdue fines. However, if you do lose a book, then we will charge you the replacement cost of the book. If this was a book I was interested in, I could click on it and it gives me some more information about that particular title. And it also gives me some suggestions for books that I might also like. Again, this was just a brief way to show you how to actually search our catalog and put books on hold. If you ever have any questions, please reach out to me, Miss Lackey, your media coordinator at Ardrey Kell High School, or Miss Denise Barnes, the media assistant at Ardrey Kell High School. Thank you.